What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can save the DP from WhatsApp on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up the WhatsApp app, then you have to find the person that you want to save the DP. I'm going to do this person. Then what you have to do, you have to click on their profile and click on their profile picture. So here you can see there is no option for saving the profile picture. What you have to do to save the profile picture, you have to screenshot it. So if you can't screenshot, I'm going to show you the other way. If you can't screenshot it, just like this person, I hope you can't see the picture. So if you can't screenshot their profile picture, what you have to do, you have to screen record the whole process, and you have to then go to your gallery and open the video. Then you have to take the screenshot from the video that you have recorded. So this is the true way guys. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.